Hi everyone. Do you know what Shutterstock is? It's like a magic world of photo, videos, and arts. Your graphic design, you like arts and various type. You click upload and submit your photos, art, vectors, etc. Your creativity starts earning money. মানে your creativity starts earning money. People all around the world use Shutterstock. Designers, YouTubers, companies, everyone. It's the place where ideas turn into income. So if you have got talented, don't just keep it on your phone, share it with the world. Create, upload, and earn money. Repeat that's the Shutterstock way. Uh, I don't you use Shutterstock. It is uh, very easy to earn money. You create vectors like cross, yes, sign, etc. You create and upload and submit, and you approve this image approve, and this buyer have buy your image and you earn money.